is Malin. Welcome to my channel. I'm your online business mentor, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get started with affiliate marketing today. The most important aspects of making time and finding that little money that can bring you forward. Before we get going, hit subscribe and the bell to get notified. Comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get to it. For most of us, I say us because I've been there myself, wanting to start an online business and affiliate marketing especially, is that we're in need of money. We're desperate for a freedom lifestyle, the laptop lifestyle. We're sick and tired of the rat race, hustling the 9 to 5 and even extra jobs to make ends meet. So we're short of money to start with, and we really want to make money quickly. Fast money. And anyone telling you that this is fast money is a liar. Don't believe it. Don't buy it. Starting an affiliate business will take time and it will take money. What you need to do is make time. Like anything you want to do in the world, time is not going to come to you. Nobody's going to knock on your door offering you an extra hour a day or an extra week of vacation a year for you to get going on your business. You have to make time, and I'm sure you're aware of it. So how do you make that time? How much time do you need to make? Well, try to make half an hour to an hour a day. Whether it's in the morning before anybody else in the family wakes up, or whether it's on the bus or the train going to your 9 to 5 job, whether it's at lunch, on your way home, after dinner, or right before bedtime, make the time. When you make the time continuously, you're taking baby steps every day, and that is eventually going to bring you the success and the results that you want. So that's the first important part. Make the time. Take your tiny steps every day of the week, week after week, months, even maybe years to get there. The second part is finding the money to invest. That is really difficult. So look at this video up here to help you out with that. That's my video on how to gain control and a sense of freedom in your financial situation. And the most important part here is that you save some money every month. And it's not so much the amount, it's the habit. Whether you're saving $10 or $100 a month, doesn't matter so much. At least you are doing it. You're saving it to invest in your future. Investing in education and training for your online business, your affiliate marketing skills. Investing in a website, investing in a domain, anything, investing in a microphone or a ring light, anything that you might need. Save, invest. Save and invest. And eventually you're gonna get there. So those were my hottest tips for you that want to get started on your online business, your affiliate marketing business today. Make the time. Find that little money, put it away to invest in yourself and your future. I wish you all the best. Please share with me your comments below and we'll have a dialogue about this. I'll answer all the comments that you have. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you hate it. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. All the best!